Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make rubber band hairstyle and Ghana weaving. So please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification for more videos. Thank you. After you've combed your hair, the next thing you want to do is to part it. Although it takes time to part your hair yourself, but the more you practice, the better you get. So I'm gonna be using Expression Ultra Braid 3 hairs 42 inches, color 2. For the rubber band hairstyle, you need a rubber band and a gel. You can use Shine and Jam, you can use any gel of your choice. Then the next thing is to part your hair. Then add the gel. After you've added the gel, you're going to tie it with the rubber band. So guys, keep watching. Just in case you have any question, leave it on the comment section. I'm gonna answer it when I see it. So, like I said, keep watching, it's self-explanatory. Thank you. I'm gonna be tying the first hair and the second hair with the rubber band and keep going that way. It's like tying the first with the second with the third with the fourth with the fifth, and so on. For the Ghana weaving, all you need to do is to divide the extension into 3 and place it on your hair. Let it align with your hair and start weaving backwards. So after weaving 4 to 5 times, then you start adding your extension. After placing the extension on your hair, use your right pointing finger to grab the hair from the left side. Cross it over to the right side and do the same with the left pointing finger. On one of my videos, I already explained how to do Ghana weaving. So I'm going to be leaving the link on the description box. that's the end of the short tutorial. Don't forget, always be joyful.